Trees are our friends. They stand tall and strong, providing us with so much more than we often realize. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, trees play a crucial role in our lives. They give us shade on sunny days, offering a cool refuge from the heat. Imagine a hot summer day without the comforting shade of a tree. It's hard to picture, isn't it? Trees make our outdoor experiences so much more enjoyable. They clean the air we breathe, acting as natural air purifiers. Through the process of photosynthesis, trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, making the air fresher and healthier for us. They also filter out pollutants, ensuring that the air remains clean, and they make our world a more beautiful place. The vibrant colors of blooming flowers, the lush green leaves, and the majestic presence of trees add to the aesthetic appeal of our surroundings. They create a serene and peaceful environment. That's why we celebrate Arbor Day. It's a day dedicated to appreciating and planting trees. Communities come together to recognize the importance of trees and to take action in preserving and expanding our green spaces. It's a special day for planting trees and learning how to care for them. Children and adults alike participate in planting activities, gaining hands-on experience and knowledge about tree care. It's a wonderful opportunity to educate the younger generation about the significance of trees. Arbor Day reminds us that trees are important. They are vital to our ecosystem and our well-being. The signs and banners serve as a reminder of the crucial role trees play in our lives and the need to protect them. We need to protect them and plant new ones. By taking care of young trees and ensuring they grow strong, we are investing in a healthier and greener future. Every tree planted today will benefit generations to come. Let's learn more about this special day. Arbor Day is not just about planting trees. It's about understanding their importance and taking steps to ensure their survival. Join us in celebrating Arbor Day and making a positive impact on our environment.
A long time ago, in the 19th century, a visionary man named J. Sterling Morton had a great idea. He was a journalist and a nature lover who had a deep appreciation for the environment. He loved trees and understood their immense value to the ecosystem and to human life. Morton knew that trees were not just beautiful to look at, but they were also crucial for the land and for people. Trees provide shade, improve air quality, and offer habitats for countless species. They also help prevent soil erosion and contribute to the overall health of the planet. With this understanding, Morton wanted to inspire others to recognize the importance of trees. He envisioned a day dedicated to planting trees, a day when communities would come together to make a positive impact on the environment. He wanted everyone, from children to adults, to participate in this noble cause. So he started Arbor Day. This special day was created to encourage people to plant and care for trees. It was a celebration of nature and a call to action for environmental stewardship. The very first Arbor Day was celebrated in Nebraska, USA on April 10, 1872. Morton chose Nebraska because it was a state that desperately needed more trees to provide windbreaks, fuel, building materials, and shade from the hot sun. On that historic day, people planted more than 1 million trees. It was a remarkable achievement and a testament to the power of community and collective effort. Today, Arbor Day is celebrated all over the world. People from different countries and cultures come together to plant trees and promote environmental conservation. It has become a global movement, reminding us all of the importance of trees and our responsibility to protect and nurture our natural world.
Trees are like superheroes. They help us in so many ways. Trees clean the air we breathe. They give us oxygen. They help keep our planet cool. Trees provide homes for animals. And guess what? Trees help prevent floods. They help save water. Trees are amazing.
Many communities have come together to plant trees. They've made their neighborhoods greener and healthier. In some cities, people plant trees along streets. This makes the streets cooler and more shady. In other places, people plant trees in parks. This gives people a place to relax and enjoy nature. Planting trees brings people together.
You can celebrate Arbor Day too. It's a day dedicated to the simple yet profound act of planting trees. Imagine the joy of seeing a sapling grow into a majestic tree, providing shade, beauty, and life to its surroundings. You can plant a tree in your yard or in your community. Whether it's a small sapling in your backyard or a larger effort in a public space, every tree counts. Each tree planted is a step towards a greener future. A future where our children can enjoy cleaner air and a healthier environment. You can water a tree. It's a simple act, but it makes a world of difference. Regular watering helps young trees establish strong roots, ensuring they grow tall and sturdy. It's a small commitment with a big payoff. You can give a tree a hug. Every little bit helps. Trees are living beings and they thrive on care and attention. Hugging a tree might seem whimsical, but it symbolizes our connection to nature and our commitment to nurturing it. When you plant a tree, you're planting hope for the future. Each tree is a promise of a better tomorrow, a symbol of growth and renewal. It's an investment in the well-being of our planet and future generations. You're helping to make the world a greener and healthier place for everyone. Forests and parks filled with healthy trees are not just beautiful, they are vital to our ecosystem. They provide habitat for wildlife, improve air quality, and combat climate change. So let's plant trees together. Community efforts amplify the impact. When we come together to plant trees, we build stronger communities and foster a sense of shared responsibility for our environment. Let's make our world a better place, one tree at a time. Each tree planted is a step towards a sustainable future. Join us in this green revolution and be a part of something bigger than yourself. Together, we can create a legacy of lush green landscapes for generations to come.